today's episode is all about making some eyelids for these windows here. Because of the angle of my roof or side, the water collects in here, so if I open them it rains in. So I took a mixing bowl, cut it in half, cut the ends out, and the plan is, on the outside obviously, to glue these over so the rain runs past this. I might have to trim them down a bit, but let's see. See, mixing bowl cut in half with the ends. Okay. So just so you can see, windows and the collection of water there. So yeah, when I open that, it just all rains in. Or if I don't tighten them up enough, it leaks in. So I'm really happy with the result from a few pound mixing bowl and £5 for some glue, epoxy resin there to stick it on. Gonna hope for some rain. Don't often hope for rain, especially when it's a beautiful sunny day out there. Fun fact for you, people struggle to define the difference between 1 million and 1 billion. 1 million seconds is 11 days. 1 billion seconds is 31.5 years. I found that out this morning. I think that's absolutely phenomenal. My mind was blown. Hope yours is too. Leave me some comments. Let's have a chat. Watch out for some more videos. Like my videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.